Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and Merry Christmas, because guess what time it is? It is time to start decorating for Christmas in 2020. And yes, I am very excited. I've done my cleaning, I have done all the prep, I've bought all the stuff, and now it's time to actually put it up. I'm so excited. I've got my Christmas shirt on. I'm ready to go. So, I have already done a little bit of prep. So as you can see behind me, I already have my Christmas tree up and I have the light on the Christmas tree. So we did that last night with the boys just to get that out of the way, because that's, yeah, not the best part of putting Christmas stuff up. But yeah, done that. Also around here, I've kind of grabbed out, I've just grabbed out, gone through all of my boxes. So I've got a whole heap of boxes here that I keep in my hallway cupboard. So boxes, and then I've also grabbed out all the stuff that I've bought over the last few months. But yeah, I got all that stuff out and some stuff that I had packed away as well. So yeah, I'm not sure. I did do a haul. I think it was a Big W haul, I think it was, where some of this stuff here I think was from. But yeah, I have been doing some shopping. I think this was from Big W. These are from Kmart, these twigs. This was from Maya, so some really long picks. I'm not sure how I'm going to go with this stuff. I've never used picks before. I got these, like, it's not silver as such, it's kind of an off silver, so I'm not sure how that's going to work, if it's going to work. But yeah, I got this from Spotlight. What else have I got here? So this one, what's that? That's either Target or Big W. Not sure. Oh, these are some presents. These are from last year. These are some old decorations. My wreath, Christmas sign. I think these are also from Big W. Big W. I'm so disappointed. I ordered like one of those tiered stands, the 3 tiers, and it hasn't come. And it's been lost in transit, so I'm a bit disappointed there. This is some stuff here for tables, tablecloths, table decorations, some couch cushions. I washed that. That was on my couch. I did just notice that I got, oh no, it's very similar, but it's not the same. It's okay. That's from, these are all from Kmart, this stuff. That's a present. What's this? This says Big W on it. So that's some like, oh, that was right, that was in my Big W haul. Got some stuff here from Target. Oh, that's right, I bought this the other day. Some tea towels. So just like a range of different tea towels. What else have we got in here? Oh, I got a cup that was supposed to be for the tray, that tiered tray. It's a nice cup that I got that's kind of neutral. So the theme I'm kind of going for is a bit more neutral and muted. However, I probably will have pops of red and stuff. So like this cushion has pops of red and green. But I'm more going for like the natural, and this really picks up like the champagne colors. Also got some more stuff here from Spotlight, I think this was. Oh no, this was from Big W. This reindeer. What else have I got here? Oh, these ones are from Spotlight. So these are some more picks I was trying. I'm not sure, I think they're a bit gold, those ones. Also have some ribbon, like I was going to try and do some ribbon on the Christmas tree, so I got some ribbon. Oh, I got a whole bunch of these burlap bows. See if I can use them on the tree. Oh, some more like little picks. Oh, and this big roll of, it's that burlap kind of material with a Christmas tree on it. So yeah, thought that might be cool. But yeah, so this is all the stuff I'm working with right now. A big mess. Okay, so the plan for the moment is I am going to try and go through all the stuff I have and organize it into sections, like so stuff for the tree, stuff for tables, stuff for decor. So yeah, that is my plan for now. So I'm going to go away and spend some time with my decorations and try and feel the inspiration in the room. But yeah, I'm going to try and organize it into a bit of a more of a sections, and yeah, I'll come back to you, okay? So I'll be back. Hi guys, so I thought I would just give you a bit of an update. So today is the 4th of December and I'm struggling with decorating. I'm not liking anything I put up. I don't know, I've really been procrastinating. Plus I've been super busy with my oldest graduating from primary school. I've got, oh my god, enrollment interviews for year 7 next year. There's just so much thing on top of like having to work full time. So oh, it's been such a big week and I'm so exhausted. So I thought I'd just give you a progress shot of where I'm up to and how my house is actually looking. So let's just do a quick tour right now. Okay, so the state of my floor is actually better than it was on the 2nd of December. There's only a couple of piles here. I did actually have about 7 piles. This one's decor. This one's like wreaths and like garland things that can go on walls. So this is actually good. I still have my boxes out in case I find, I don't know, more stuff that can go up. I have a few things here. I've got the Christmas tree here. I don't want to show you guys that yet because I'm actually not too bad with that. I think I've almost done it, so I want to wait until the end of the video to show you that. But here's a little sneak peek. Ooh. The front, I don't know. I'm still not happy with that. I've done a little bit. I'm not sure. I think I want to change this and put that up the back and maybe put the gold garland there. That's our wreath from the front door. I just have to get the hubby to put that up. I've kind of gone kind of simple here. I'm not sure if I want to put some lights on my fig. See, I wipe down his leaves every week, so I don't know. I think having lights on it's going to make it hard, and I don't want to kill my poor plant. I've kind of done my table over here, so I've got a little bit there. So I was actually really disappointed. I found out that the 3-tiered stand that I ordered has been lost in transit. I'm so disappointed. When they called me, I think it was Tuesday they called me, and I finally found out that it was not going to be coming and they're just going to give me a refund. So I'm getting a refund, but it's just like, I had so many ideas for that. Like, I've been trying to get this stand for like 2 years. It's just so annoying. So yeah, I've got like these items that I was gonna put into like the stand, like kind of like a hot chocolate / coffee stand. So I've got like, so I've got this bowl that I was gonna put like, I don't know, marshmallows, or I don't know, I was either going to marshmallows in here, hot chocolate. I got this little light that lights up. It's so cute, like little ornaments that can go on the stand. So I got like a new coffee cup that's in the theme that I'm going to do this year. I have like a whole bunch of little things, like I've got these little gnomes that I was going to put on the stand. They're so cute. Like, you can't even see their face, it's just their nose. Like, oh, there were so many things I was gonna do and now it's not here. So I'm kind of really that really bummed me out. I think that's what's affected my ability to do any decorating. So yeah, I'm not sure how or what I'm gonna do here because I really don't have anything to display it on. So very disappointing. I haven't done anything in this area at all. I haven't put up any lights. I actually haven't seen any of my lights. I have to go looking for the little lights that I have. They're like little LED lights. So they must be in boxes somewhere. So yeah guys, that is where I'm up to. This is supposed to be fun and it's not fun at the moment. So yeah, I feel like I'm putting too much pressure on myself. I should just put the the stuff up. I almost swore then. Put the stuff up and it'll be fine. The boys will love it, whatever it looks like. So I should just do that. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm just gonna do it and stop stuffing around and stop whinging and just do it. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it right now. Hi guys, okay, so it's been quite a few days since I last spoke to you, and I just realized now that I haven't shown you how I've decorated. It's not as impressive as I was hoping, but I'm still going to show you because you know what? Not everyone has those fancy houses like myself. I don't have those fancy houses, and I'm not an interior decorator, so I thought I'd just show you what I've done around my house to make it a little bit more festive for the family. So here we go. Okay, so I've got the lights on. I should have turned all these lights on before. So I've just got some lights in this corner on this palm tree, fake palm tree. This is the lounge room. So I've just put a tablecloth with a runner and a nice kind of, I was going for the more natural kind of colours, more muted tones with splashes of red and green. I got this pillow, I think this was from TK Maxx. So yeah, that one's a cute pillow. What else have I got over here? I got a nice throw rug on the back there, same colours. Oh, I got this tree. It's kind of a little bit broken. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's really cool and it lights up. But the little switch to light it up is quite tricky. So yes, there's that. So yeah, that's this room. Not a great deal of stuff, but not too bad. And I'll show you the Christmas tree. So I'm really happy with the Christmas tree. So this is it here in all its glory, all sparkly. I might show you a close up just so you can see. So I got, this tree is a really old tree. We've had it for quite a while, but it does the job. I think we need to invest in another one, but yeah, definitely enjoy this tree I did this year. So I'm just gonna see if I can show you without the lights and everything and turn that off. Okay, so what I've done this year, I've tried to incorporate some of this ribbon. So this ribbon, I think I might have got that one from Big W. Also got like these burlap bows. So these ones I think I got from Spotlight, and the little ones I think I got from Big W. It's a couple of different sizes. I've got a few like different picks and stuff. So that one's from Spotlight, I believe. This one I think is from Spotlight as well. It's a little bit, it's not really showing up. It's showing up more silver, but it's kind of like a champagne color. Same with the balls, they were from Big W. I didn't have the red balls on there at first, but then I thought it just needed a pop of color. So yeah, I went with the red balls. I've got a few different kind of, I don't know, just kind of different baubles. I've got these eucalyptus leaf picks that I got from Maya. What else? I've got the tree skirt, that one I think was from Target a year or so ago. What else? I think that's about it. Like they're all just different types of more natural kind of colors and textures, I guess. So yeah, that's my tree. Next to my tree, I've just got this this table that I just put a couple of things on it just to decorate it up a little bit. Out the front here, I've just got this sign. It's got Merry Christmas. It's just like a tartan kind of, I can't even remember what they call these things, like a garland or whatever. Up the front here, so this is our front table. It's got this up here. So this is just like I think this was from Big W. It's just like a glittery garland. And I got some lights on there as well. But yeah, so that is the front. So I'll put you in focus. That's the front. got our little, I don't even know where I got this guy from, but he's kind of cute. I like putting him out. He's just fun. Fun for when my nieces and nephews come round. I can play with them. What else do we have? Oh, changed our sign to Merry Christmas 2020. We didn't have two twos, so we had to write 20. What else have we got? I've still got my boxes out. Over here I decorated this a little bit, but not really. All I did was this middle section here. I've just got that, what's it called? That sign that actually lights up. That little Christmas tree, and the other one with the baubles. So yeah, thought that was kind of cute. I've got my table with the table runner, so this is where we'll have like Christmas dinner, lunch. So I've just got, this was already on the table, but I just put my tablecloth with a runner. This lights up, and then I've just got this reindeer here, kind of little motif there. Now Quinny's playing on the TV, but up the top there I've just put that garland. You can't really see it. I might actually put another sign up here that says Merry Christmas. But yeah, this garland with the lights. And that's that. Okay guys, so that's my quick Christmas tour. I'm happy with it. There are some things, like I didn't get that cake, that 3-tiered stand, so I wasn't able to do my little hot chocolate stand, which was going to be quite, I was really excited about actually, but we didn't get it in the end, and that kind of dampened my spirit a little bit, which I'm disappointed about, that it actually affected me that much, but I'm still really happy with what I got done. Sorry about the noise. But yeah, thanks for watching guys. I hope to see you in the comments. Let me know how you went with decorating. If you have any photos, put them down below, or tag me on Instagram. But yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the comments. Bye. Merry Christmas.